Hi everybody, my name's Peter Alsop and I'm just starting a new channel, and today in this new channel we're going to be talking about, no, not Game of Thrones, we're going to be talking about dreadlocks. Okay, I've had the dreadlocks just over 7 years now, and in that time I've had so many different things happen, so many people come out with so many good and bad and stupid statements about my dreadlocks. We're going to have a look at some of those. We're going to have a look at how you maintain dreadlocks, why I've got dreadlocks, what I love about them, what I dislike about them, what really gets on my nerves about them, and we're just going to talk about dreadlocks in general. As you can see, they're quite long. If I turn around, apart from my dog, Luna, you can see what my dreadlocks look like now. And that's why I've called the channel Silver Dreads, because my hair is silver. I hope you're going to come along with me on this journey. I hope you're going to enjoy what we're going to do and what we're going to put down on these videos. Basically all we're going to do is talk about dreadlocks, so it's basically all about dreadlocks. I do run another channel, which is a photography channel. I will leave a link in the video, in the comment section below, for you to have a look at. And if you're interested in photography, come and join us on there as well. I really hope that the information I put on this channel you find useful and helpful. I hope you enjoy my videos. And what I want you to do is, if you like what I'm doing, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It's a brand new channel. Okay, subscribe, click that little bell so you get notified whenever I put a new video up, and I'm going to try and put a video out at least once a week. I think the next video I'm going to do is about one of the most common questions: how do you wash them? Generally in the shower, but anyway, that's the next video that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to try and put at least one a week out, like I've said. As well as having this channel, I do a channel about photography, videography, where I do some shots with drones, not phones, drones, drones and things. So if you're into that kind of thing, please follow me. Some of the videos I'll be taking while I'm at work. I drive taxis for a living, and believe it or not, that is where I get most of the stupid comments. But please enjoy what I'm doing. Please join us, and I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye everybody.